So for discussion on Battle of Plassey, we should construct some points that were occurred during this time. Who was Sirajudullah, son of Aliwar, the youngest daughter? Who was Sirajudullah, Nawab of Bengal? Troubles of Sirajudullah. Shaukat Jang, Nawab of Purnia, cousin of Sirajudullah. Kasti Begum, who was hostile aunt and childless widow. Mir Jafar was a rebellious commander, husband of Aliwardi Khan's sister, and Jagat Seth, Umichand, Rai Bhalla, and Rai Dullab were against Sirajudullah, the Nawab of Bengal. How he handled the situation: killed Shaukat Jang, divested Kasti Begum from his treasure, and dismissed Mir Jafar and appointed Mohan Lal act as a PM. Now, how company, which is known as British take action against. Company gives asylum to Krishna Das, son of Raj Bhalla, who fled with treasures. Where company suspected that Siraj would reduce its privilege against French in Bengal. Then Siraj attacked and seized English fort of Calicut, both under open hostility. Then there occurred a black hole tragedy. Imprisonment 146 English in tiny room, due to which 123 died of suffocation. Now the battle occurred. Force under Robert Clive at Calcutta from Madras were brought. Clive forged alliance with traitor of Nawab Mir Jafar, Rai Dullab, Jagat Seth, and Umichand, who was Jagat Seth Bengal banker. Then deal with Mir Jafar would devote company service. Then on June 23, 1757, note this, it is important date, 50,000 of Sirajudullah was captured and murdered by order of Mir Jafar's son Miran. What was significance of Battle of Plassey? Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal, give large sum of money and zamindari of 24 parganas to British. French were ousted. Control of affairs passed to Clive. Sovereignty of English over Calcutta was recognized, and English posted a resident at a Nawab court. So this was important about the Battle of Plassey. And subscribe the channel.